In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create purchase order on Shopify. A purchase order is a useful document that helps you track what you plan to buy, who you are buying it from, and where the items should be sent once they arrive. If you manage inventory, this workflow can make it much easier to stay organized and understand what is coming into your warehouse. To begin, open Shopify and log in to your admin account. Once you are inside your Shopify dashboard, you will need to find the purchase order section. From the main menu, look for Products and click on it. This is where Shopify keeps many of the tools related to ordering and inventory management, so it is the correct place to start. Next, within the Products area, click on Purchase Orders. You may notice this page shows existing purchase orders if you have already created some. If you are starting fresh, this area can still be useful because it gives you a clear overview of the purchasing workflow in one location. Now that you are on the Purchase Orders page, you are ready to create a new document. Now click Create Purchase Order. After you do this, Shopify will guide you through the fields you must fill in. This is where you set the supplier and the destination location, which are two critical details because they define who the order comes from and where the stock will be received. Take a moment to watch the screen as the new purchase order form appears because the page may load additional options. After the form opens, the next thing is selecting a supplier. Choose the supplier from the supplier field. This selection matters because it connects the purchase order to the right vendor. Once the supplier is selected, Shopify can keep your records more accurate, especially if you track purchasing history over time. Next, you will select the destination warehouse. On the purchase order form, find the field for destination or warehouse, and choose the location where the items should be delivered when they arrive. This is especially important if you operate more than one warehouse or storage location. The destination helps ensure the inventory is accounted for in the right place. Now that the supplier and destination warehouse are set, you can proceed with making the purchase details on the purchase order. This is the part where you add the products and quantities you plan to order, so Shopify knows what you intend to buy and how much you are requesting. If the screen asks you to enter line items, this is where you would provide those details carefully. At this point, you would normally finalize the purchase by confirming the purchase order within Shopify. Before you finish, it is a good idea to review what you have entered. Confirm the supplier is correct, confirm the destination warehouse is correct, and make sure the items and quantities match what you actually want to order. This quick review can prevent mistakes later, such as receiving items into the wrong location or ordering the wrong product amounts. When you are satisfied with the details, you can complete the purchase order process according to your workflow inside Shopify. That may include finalizing or saving the purchase order so it is recorded in your system. Once it is saved, you will be able to reference it later for receiving, tracking, or reporting. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.